Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to take this Team Ralley Python 6S, stock everything still. I mean, it's going to be stock ESC, stock motor, stock pinion, stock spur, and we are going to give it a rip and see what we can get for movement. I got the GPS up under the body. Yeah, it's not where I like it to be, but it's where it is now. Let's stop and read. Let's stop, start, stop, read. Okay, we cleared it out. Let's see. Okay, it's moving. Start it. So it's tracking. So you can see it's reading, guys. And put this body back on. I like how this body goes. Kind of, I'm not too keen on the little lip going under there, but I guess it's a little bit of aerodynamics for it. But it has two little clips right here that it slides into to keep the body nice and tight there. So no air is going to push the front open. I like that. I like that little feature. So let's turn the Noble on. I still have the race receiver in there.
Welcome to Noble.
I'm just gonna probably use those for like bashers or something like that because they don't get very far signal. Car's not on, that's why. Turn the car on. 6S. We got steering. Okay. Oh, much more zip in it. 4S to 6S. Oh yeah, she's gonna be a hard one to handle here with these tires, I think. So we're just trying to get a decent speed run or two in here just to see. It's got a little squirrely there. See if we can get it to come back.
Signal lost.
Yeah. That's full trigger. I can't go too far with this radio, like I said. It's but she's getting up to speed right there.
Signal lost.
It's funny how this radio says signal lost, but you actually still have a signal. Yeah, the brakes are a little too hard. You put street tires on, it's just gonna slide out. So we'll definitely have to turn that down when I put the street tires on it. Let's just see what we got here. Stop, read, 57. Okay, that's about where I wanted. That's pretty good. Like I said, I might go up, see what tooth pinion's in there, and then go up from there and see what we can get. Just with everything still stock, just throw a pinion in, and then we'll drop in the speed spool, put some new tires on it, and lower the front down a little bit if we can. So we can get that aerodynamics going a little better so we don't lift up the front. So, all right, but let's do one more. See if we can top 57. So I'm just gonna leave 57 there. Now let me go back and record that. Throw that to the side. Go back, and we're gonna start. It's testing, it's reading. Let's go back for one more. Sometimes your batteries get better. You guys don't know this, but sometimes they get a little bit better after the first pass or two. For some reason, it's like they warm up. And I'm gonna lose signal here. I was just gonna start yelling at me.
Signal lost. Signal lost.
Told you I was gonna start yelling at me. All right, so here we go, guys. All right, let's see what she's got here. Yeah, the brakes are a little too high for speed runs. Stop, read. All right, 56 again, guys. So that's about what it's gonna do. I think it has more maybe if I went longer. Nah, it's pretty maxed out right when I go by. So let's I'm gonna try one more time, guys. I know I say that all the time, but stop, start, tracking, excuse me. Man, it's got some power though, guys. Yeah, I'm full trigger right there. It's about right when it hits me at full triggers. You don't hear it winding no more. I do wish I could have fit my other receiver in here. That big one, if you guys check my unboxing of this, it has a big one in it. It's got an antenna in it, and it's supposed to go pretty far. But the radio box on this one is pretty small. It's kind of at a weird angle. So stop, read. Yeah, 56 again, guys. So this is all we're gonna get on 6S. I'm not gonna take it in the dirt because I don't want to get it dirty. It's more of a speed run car right now, so we're not gonna bash on it. I'm gonna keep it strictly for street right now. So there you go, guys. Look at that. I got that's. Maybe that's why I got the radio link on a fly sky. Hey, what can I say? I like them both. There you go, guys. Team Ralley Python 6S run, 56 miles an hour. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can watch the next video of it putting in some a new pinion and gearing it up a little bit.